Louise, this is a good short covering that we have in the dollar. This is actually a buy signal in the dollar Swiss. I'll be looking at this as a buy. So 77 or 78, we can make it the 78 as you. What's this go over here? 78 or 6, that's fine. So this is actually a buy signal, Louise, and it could be the beginning of a short. You see the move we had it from the 7. If you want all the way to reduce order, this is a big move to the upside. This is nothing more than so far as a correction, and we should retest this area of the 82.74. So this, as I said, is a buy signal, and we want to make sure that it continues to the upside. So we are going to go to the intraday and look for entries. So this is going to be your buy point above the 107.92, and if you do buy it, you're going to have, because this is the trend is a major downtrend, so you need to use a big wide stop. So your stop, at least in this trade, is going to be wow. Your stop at least has to be in. So this is a very this is quite a big stop. I don't see that the risk reward really makes it. I tell you what, guys, if you want to be taking this trade, if anybody wants to trade the dollar Swiss, okay, this is again a short covering trade. If you technically, you need to put your stop at about 120 pips away. But if you're going to play the short covering rally, what I would suggest, you use an, I mean, do you have a position in it, Luis? Okay. What you want to do is two things. You want to be drawing, basically, that's your, in essence, your gift line if you want to take it to the short side again. So you want to go short below the 78 handle again. But if it gets above the 79.25, we can get the beginning of a short covering rally. If somebody wants to take a high risk trade, you need, and again, it's a beautiful, I mean, I love the short covering rallies, but you need to be careful with it because there is no technical place to place a stop, so the stop that I'm giving you now is at best a guess. So you're gonna go 79.25. I'll try 79. Okay, what you do is, okay, that's good. It's pretty close. 75.92. You can use the 75. Okay, we'll use this one, 78.60 level. And I'm taking one of those reference points as a a place where I can exit the stop, so I took the 78.74 as where I would exit the stop, which should be somewhere around here. Okay, and again, this is just, we're trying to capture a little bit of a short covering map. So we are going to buy the dollar Swiss above 79.25, and we're going to place our stop below 78.70, and on the short side we're going to go short below 78, which is right there. And if we do go short below the 78, I'm going to place my stop at 78.70. I'm going to use it as the same. So the short stop is now going to be and the long stop, yeah, it's one of the same. So I'm going to use the 78.70 as the same stop, but I'm going to give it a little bit of a bigger room. My structure long to the upside is the 82, and my structure short is the all-time low, which is around the 72 level. So let's see the all-time low, which is 70 or 66. Yeah, that's it. Okay, that is the dollar Swiss. We're going to go long the dollar Swiss on a trade above the 79.25. This is a short covering rally. We're taking a snap trade, and the next structure point is the 82.74, and if I do, I'm placing my stop at the long stop at 78.70. On the short side, I'm going to go short below 78.05. The next structure point is the all-time low, which is the 78.66, and I'm using the 78.80 and the 78.77 as the stop also on the short side. All right, that is the dollar Swiss.